What's up, everybody? It's your boy Q. You know who, and I'm back, baby, with another video, man. So y'all just saw I got some goodies in the mail that we're gonna be installing. Not sure if it's gonna be today. I've been excited about this one. I've been waiting on this one for a long time. You know, you get new stuff. It's like a kid in the candy store as an adult. Woohoo! That's right, Pazzo. So y'all already know what that is. If you ride motorcycles, you probably know what it is. Yeah, buddy. So we got some Pazzo levers, man, for the S1000. Ooh. Here they are. So I got the black with the gold tip on there, man. So y'all know I'm going for a black and gold thing. So yeah, ooh, they nicely made too. I like it, man. Yeah, Q. So this is the brake side, and the clutch side is in here as well. Been wanting to pull the trick on these for a long time now. Finally got some. Instructions are right here as well. And basically the BMW has like 2 pins or prongs that control the cruise control and auto blip. So without further ado, without waste time, let's go ahead and get to the install. So I'm at the storage right now, man. I finally got to change the Pazzo levers here, stock levers, to the Pazzo black and gold levers. So hopefully they come out pretty good. This job should be pretty simple from what I hear. I'm gonna try to record and do this as I can. Only thing you need to do on the brake side is just remove this screw here, and there's a nut on the bottom right there, if y'all can see it right there, that little nut sticking out. You just remove that, the brake lever comes out, and you just put the new one on and redo the screw. On the clutch side, same concept, just a little different. Since this does have the quick shifter, you see those 2 tabs, those silver tabs right there. Yep. So you see how that prong right there presses those tabs? That allows you to use the quick shifter and cruise control function, because that tab is always pressed against those. That lever right there, the little gray tab at the bottom, is always pressed against these tabs right there. So yeah, those tabs. So that's just a little tricky on that part. You just gotta be sure when you put it on there, don't bend the tab. Also, what you need is some waterproof grease. And basically what you're gonna do is just put some here, everything that kind of touches this, like this hole here, on the end there, on the end here, right here, you know, here, anything that kind of touches and has a friction point, you want to put a little grease on there to just keep everything nice and lube. So anyway, let's get started. Hold out. Here's your stock lever there, as you can see. And so, show y'all now. Here's the tab that actually squeezes the brake. So you're just gonna get the new one now. I'm gonna go ahead and lube it up, maybe put a little lube, water grease on here and here, and then we'll put the new one on. Grease. Also gonna put a lid on my boat. All right, now let's put it back on the bike. All right, guys, got it on there. Let's test it out. It works. Oh yeah. All right, guys, so I got it on there, and look at that. Cleans up the bike. Dang, that looks good. And so this is a fully adjustable lever, and what I mean by that, 1 is closest to the grip, 2 further out, 3, 4, 5, 6 is all the way out. So I think I like it at 2. We're gonna test it out and see, but right now I'm leaving it at 2, but it works, it's catching. I'm happy, it looks good. Now let's get to the clutch side. All right, guys, so first, only thing we gotta do, we got a T25 Torx here. Just gonna remove this. Same thing over there with the bolt, and try to get this out. Got the nut off, and the nut did come with a washer, so keep that in mind. All right, guys, I got it off, as you can see there. Mine does not have an actuator tab. Holy shit. Alright guys, so we ran into an issue. There's supposed to be like a black kill tab on here, but there is not one on here at all. So you're supposed to take that black tab off and transfer it to the new one, but it's not on there. You see how that tab is not touching those micro switches? So it's not gonna activate the cruise control. So I'm gonna have to try to find a switch now, the actuator switch for the cruise control. Dang it, to put on there. So anyway, let me put the other stock lever back, and then we'll have to get an actual actuator switch. Unfortunately, dang it, I can't believe my bike didn't have one. So, all right, hold tight. All right, guys, I got the clutch lever, stock one back on. Let's test it really quick to make sure the cruise control and everything still works. Let's see. All right, let me see if I pop it on. The light should come on. Nope, not coming on. Do I gotta start it? Let's start it. Light's not coming on for the cruise control. Okay guys, so the cruise control is not coming on, but I'm looking at the switches here and they're not bent at all. Like, it's on there and they're straight, so I'm not sure, but it's switching. Anyway, man, I'll figure that out later. Well, I'll keep y'all updated. I'm gonna have to go try to find a switch for that. Put the other lever on. The brake lever is working pretty good. I like it. Looks good. Nothing ever goes to plan, man. 4 weeks later. So what's up, guys, man? It's literally been a month since I tried that last clip y'all saw me trying to install this. Long story, y'all know, the BMW had a radiator issue, and so it had been in the shop, and then my man Jack Be Quick, shout out to him, man. Y'all definitely go check him out. He has saved me a few times already. What I needed was this little black knob right there. I already transferred it. I didn't have that. He sent me a lever that he had, and actually he sent this to somebody else, gave it to them. He actually reached out to them, asked for it back. They actually sent it back to him, then he sent it to me, man. So Jack, be looking out, man. Jack, bro, appreciate you, man. 100 for real. Saved my life with this. So what that switch does, guys, you see that little silver thingy right there? Right there, that's sticking out? That is for the cruise control, and the other one below that is for the quick shifter. So this switch right here, that little knob, activates that. It pushes up against it when the clutch is disengaged. That's how the cruise control and quick shifter works. So hopefully this fixes the cruise control thing. I'm about to go ahead and finish up. I'm not gonna show y'all that. I'm just about to finish because I've been waiting to do this forever. And so let's finish up. Hopefully everything go right, and I'll show y'all the finished product. Okay guys, so I got the new lever on. The piece I needed is that black tab. I'm not sure if I can see it. Let's see if I can engage it. Anyway, that black tab right there. However, the cruise control still is not working, and I'm not sure why. Probably had to take it to BMW and get them like to reset it or something, because it was working without the tab. I don't know how the shop I bought it from did it. When I took the old lever off and tried to put the new one on and realized I didn't have the tab, I put the old lever back on, but it wouldn't work ever since I took it off. So maybe got to go get reset since I took it off. I'm not sure. But anyway.
What's up, everybody? FutureQ here. Don't worry about what this idiot talking about. I did get the cruise control figured out. I was turning the switch on, but wasn't actually setting the cruise control. So when I actually took the bike out for a ride and actually set the cruise control to a speed, the cruise control did work. So we all good to go. So this is FutureQ telling you to disregard current Q. Peace.
Here's what it looks like though. They look really, really good. I have to play with the settings to see how I want it. I think I want this one close, and I want my brake further out so I can just give it a little tension, you know, and I can squeeze it without having to squeeze too much. It's just light pressure and it engages. So anyway, man, I love the way it looks. You know, we got the black and gold going. They feel a lot better than the stock lever. So yeah, you just got to decide what's best for you. If you like just using 2 fingers, you use full hand. Definitely some on my brake finger is fine. I only use 2 fingers. But on my clutch hand, I generally typically use all 4 fingers, 4 or 5 fingers. So I'm gonna have to get used to that on my brake side. I mean, on my clutch side. So 4 weeks later, we finally got it on. I'll catch y'all next piece.